How to share your screen on Google Meet. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Google Meet is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store and then install it. Once you have it on a device, open it. In here, you have to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. In order to start a meeting, tap on New at the bottom right corner, and then click on Create a New Meeting. Now you can share this link to any person that you want to join this meeting. And then you also have to click on Join Meeting. Now if you want to share your screen, the option of Share Screen will be visible right here. All you want to do is click on it, and then click on Continue. There you go, the screen will start to share in your meeting. Any person that is involved in the meeting will be able to see your screen. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can share your screen on Google Meet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.